Best trailer brake controllers. Electric trailer brake controllers are essential for safe towing, providing precise control over braking systems in trailers. Whether you're hauling a camper, boat, or heavy-duty cargo, these devices ensure smoother stops, reduced wear on your vehicle's brakes. The Tekken 9160 Primus IQ is a proportional brake controller designed for trailers with 1 to 3 axles. It features an internal inertia sensor that adjusts braking power based on the intensity of your tow vehicle's braking. With a plug-and-play port, snap-in dash mounting clip, and removable electrical connector, installation and storage are straightforward. The LED display provides real-time diagnostics and alerts, ensuring you're always informed. The boost feature adds extra stopping power, making it ideal for heavier loads or emergency braking scenarios. In practice, the Primus IQ delivers smooth and responsive braking, especially for medium-duty towing. The proportional braking ensures no jerking or pulling, providing a comfortable experience for both novice and experienced users. Its versatility across multiple vehicle brands and axles makes it a reliable choice for most towing needs. However, the unit lacks advanced features like smartphone integration, which premium models offer. List No. Reese Tow Power 850711, Brakeman 4 time delay. The Reese Tow Power 850711. Brakeman 4 is a budget-friendly, time-delayed brake controller suitable for trailers with 1 to 4 axles. Its compact design allows installation above or below the dash, and the LED light display indicates trailer connectivity and power output. This controller ramps up braking power over time, making it an affordable solution for basic towing needs. Manual braking is available via a lever, adding flexibility for emergency situations. While the Brakeman 4 is easy to install and use, its time delay mechanism can result in less precise braking compared to proportional models. It's best suited for light-duty towing or occasional use, as heavy loads may require more responsive braking. The lack of advanced features and somewhat dated design are trade-offs for its low price point. List 3. CURT 51180 Echo Mobile Electric Trailer Brake. The CURT 51180 Echo Mobile is a premium brake controller that connects wirelessly to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It offers proportional braking using a triple-axis accelerometer, ensuring smooth and responsive stops. Installation is non-invasive, requiring only a 7-way connector. The Smart Control app provides an intuitive interface for adjusting settings, and the controller remains functional even if the Bluetooth connection is lost. The Echo Mobile excels in portability and ease of use, making it ideal for users who frequently switch between vehicles or trailers. Its smartphone integration adds convenience, but it also requires careful attention to avoid distracted driving. The higher price point reflects its advanced features, but it's worth the investment for tech-savvy users seeking maximum flexibility. List 4. Redarc TowPro Liberty Electric Trailer Brake Controller Kit. The Redarc TowPro Liberty is a sleek, proportional brake controller designed for everyday towing. Its self-calibrating system ensures seamless operation with 12-volt systems, and the sway control feature enhances trailer stability during unexpected movements. This model blends into your dashboard for a factory-like appearance, eliminating interference with leg space or airbags. The TowPro Liberty stands out for its advanced sway control and clean installation. It's particularly suited for users who prioritize aesthetics and functionality. While it performs well for everyday towing, its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers who don't require premium features. List 5. Takano 8508220 Brake EVN. The Takano 8508220 Brake EVN is a proportional brake controller for trailers with 1 to 4 axles. It uses an internal inertia sensor to provide smooth braking based on the tow vehicle's deceleration. The plug-and-play port simplifies installation, while the manual control lever allows for customized braking when needed. The LED display shows diagnostics and alerts, ensuring reliable operation. The Brake EVN offers solid performance for a mid-range price, making it a great option for users seeking proportional braking without breaking the bank. It's versatile and easy to install, but lacks the advanced connectivity features found in higher-end models. Overall, it's a reliable choice for general towing needs.